Hello there, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna install these OEM Type R badges to my regular Honda Civic Hatchback LX, and the only reason I'm installing these OEM emblem is because I decided to wrap my regular emblem to wrapping, but I messed up, so I said why not just buy the parts. Hopefully they are the real OEM emblems that I got from a website, but I did bought it by the part numbers they that some people say were for this car. But here's the part number for the front if you decide to buy the same emblem as I did. Up close, if you can see, there should be a little watermark of a Honda logo. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is the second one. So, but hopefully it is the real part. But it seems like it is. This is how it looks if you decide to buy yourself two. But let's see how it looks on my car. So let's install these puppies in. So what I'm gonna use is this, and as well a rag so I don't scratch it more or chip the paint more that it is right now, because it has a 3M tape. Hope I don't break this thing either. First let's see. There we go. Oh, I broke it already, but doesn't matter. There we go. Well, I already took it at the beginning, so it was a little bit much easier to remove because I took it off before. I already chipped the paint on here, tried to fix it, but I put more 3M tape so it can hold for a bit, because I kind of live in the desert. There's a lot of wind, a lot of dust, so it didn't get stuck together. It didn't get stuck in that well, so it's easier for me to remove everything. For me it was already really easy, just that I chipped my paint, so I'll fix that as well. Because my car is dirty, I'm planning to wash it before I install the new emblems, so I wrapped it. So let's take off the other one. The other one's a bit more difficult because I didn't touch it at all, so let's go. So let's start the front one. Wow, that's gonna be much harder. I guess I don't need this. Depends on the person. Oh, broke it. Nah, who cares? It's not like I'm gonna need it. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it went down. Eventually it's gonna come out. So there it is. Only missed this. It went inside, but I thought I was gonna break even more, but didn't scratch it at all, so that's a plus. I don't mind. Well, let me wash this car and see how it turns out when I install them. Sorry for the wind. Over here it's windy. I'm doing rubbing alcohol on there so it sticks better. Alright. My hands are clean, so I can put it on perfectly. No, this is how it looks. This is how it will look. Nice. Let's put it on. pressure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright, go. It looks nice. Okay, now for the other one in the front. Let's go. Alright, now the front one. Rubbing alcohol so that fit perfect. Clean it and install. So clean, perfect. Let's go. Take out slowly. So take out tape. Más arriba. Now let's push it in. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Now that's the front. Oh, and I washed the car so it looks nice and clean. So that's it.